There.
All right.
I'm going to do a face plan.
All right.
The plan?
Oh, yeah, well, out there. Cody, do you want to go out? See that big drift right there?
Yeah, I see it's a big drift.
Okay.
In.
Come on.
In.
Come on. Hand me that shovel. I had to handle the whole thing of snow. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh! Whew. That got me in the whole inside of the house.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm coming in.
Okay.
I'm leaving the shovel behind.
No, we need that.
We'll wait for it later. Okay.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
Okay. Real cool.
You can't close it. You got to clean the...
Here, here.
Oh, my floor.
Get that thing out of here.
Where's the spoon?
Yeah, get the spoon. I inhaled like a handful of snow. Okay, you're on your...
Okay, go take your hot shower.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, all you gotta do is push that button and it'll turn on.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye.